Hello my dear friends, this is Andrey Khovratov. I'm recording this video for one purpose, for one reason. The year 2020 has begun. Those who did not yet watch my congratulatory video, I want to congratulate you and tell you that this year you are going to achieve an insane growth if you make specific commitments to grow as a person and to become a rich and prosperous person. And what I want to tell you is that those people who want to take the path of wealth and prosperity now have a unique chance to do it. If you are in our system, in the NEEW system, registered either in the crypto unit back office or the Academy of a Private Investor or in the NEEW TNG back office, you have a unique chance to change your life this year. Starting from the 2nd of February, we are launching an interactive masterclass called Marathon 260. Marathon 260 is 260 days of our interaction with you. You know, when I came to the system of multi-level business, and I didn't know how to do that business, so I attended all schools, I traveled to different cities, spent lots of money to obtain knowledge. Dear friends, we are in the 21st century. We have the internet today. The team of our top leaders and I decided to teach you firsthand, online, how to do that business. Starting from the 2nd of February, on the first week, we are going to work every day. On the second week, we are going to work every other day, and the following 2 weeks, every other day too. What kind of work will it be? We are going to work following the principle, do as I do as we do better than we do. We are launching massive marketing in your business, which, if you follow our instructions and will do it together with you, will ensure the rapid growth of your business. If you want to make your dreams come true, the most ambitious dreams that you have, this year you simply must attend this masterclass, interactive training, Marathon 260. Let me give you an idea about what we're going to do. Imagine that you know nothing about this business of ours, if you're a professional, or you only recently joined us because in the last couple of months, over 400,000 people joined us. We want to help you do this business at home, on the internet. By giving this work to maximum 4 hours of your time a day, you will be able in 1 month to have an extra monthly income of $500 to $2,000. And if you give this work 8 hours of your time per day, if you're unemployed or you're a businessman and you have time to spare, and you're ready to work 8 hours a day, I assure you that the month of February is going to be very interesting for you because we're going to test all the knowledge that we will give you. We are going to tell you what you need to do. Through the internet, using your phone, you'll need to do what we tell you to do. From the get-go, you will have to make your work plan. You will have to follow the instructions and start working. The following day, we meet again and start doing this work. Not just theory, but practice, for you to become super professionals in that business. I've been in multi-level marketing business for 22 years now, and I want to tell you an important thing. If you want to become a millionaire, if you want to become a multi-millionaire, the only fast way to achieve that is through the multi-level payment system, the multi-level business system. But we are not in multi-level business, we are in multi-level crowd-investing business. At the same time, you will learn how to keep your daily balance, what investing is, what you should do to preserve and multiply your money. We will teach you how to preserve and multiply the money that you are already making, and how to increase your income even more, to double your income every month. For example, in January, you make $100 or $200 or $1,000, $2,000. In February, your goal will be to earn twice as much. In March, twice as much compared to February. In April, twice as much than in March. That is how we are going to work until our 6-year anniversary in October this year in Moscow, Russia. Dear friends, if you aim to become a millionaire, if you aim to reach unprecedented heights in business, in life, to realize your most ambitious dreams, this training is for you. It's not just a training, it's a masterclass. We will work with you for 260 days. We will give you assignments, we will hold meetings, we will follow you on the social media. But what you're going to have now will be the most wonderful days in your life, because those will be the days that will bring together a huge number of people. We plan to have at least 500 to 1,500 people, but most likely there will be more. Right now, after you watch this video, look into the masterclass course Marathon 260. What we're going to do and what kind of things we will bring about. Over that time, let me tell you, if you forgot how to dream, you will learn how to dream. You will start taking actions. You will have instant results. You are going to get a magic wand, which will not do your bidding, but will help you shape your life the way you want it to have. Earn as much as you want. You will become masters of your own life. You will shape your life. You will receive the best tools available to build your business. Dear friends, this training will be held this year alone. Who will be able to sign up for this training? Who will be given such opportunity? We have given it a lot of thought and reached a conclusion. We took a vote, what kind of EIPs we needed to have, and here's what we decided. In January, those who make up their mind and do it quickly will need to pay only, mind you, only 500 units. 500 units, or in your currency, depending on the country you live in. But for those 500 units, you will not just receive the right to attend that training, you will get a mentor, in my person, the CEO of the company, the top leader of a multi-level industry. Top leaders of our industry are Murniaks, who this year got listed in the Hall of Fame, received global recognition. Mila Serdyukova, who last year became the best business coach when she took the training of one of the greatest trainers in public speaking. Petru Zhalbe, a self-made man. He used to be an electrician, and today he is the richest electrician. He became a millionaire in a very short period of time, and he is still under 30. Jamila Yusubekova, a legend in the Asian region. These are people who do business today with just the power of thought. She wants to expand her business. She thinks about it and people start calling her on their own and business starts. We will have top leaders from Australia join us. Andrew Hawks from India, from Vietnam, Harry from India, Dragosh from Italy. They are top leaders who are today members of the Leadership Council and the Presidential Council and will share their practical experience with you. Dear friends, right after this video, start making up your mind. First, decide what you want in this life, exactly what you want. Second, what you're ready to do. Are you ready to work 4 hours or to do business for 6 hours a day? Or in fact, you're ready to give it 8 hours a day? Because if you are, and you will do so for 20 days straight, you will build an incredible business within the first 90 days. And here we are talking about not 90 days, but 260 days before Aventi. Dear friends, think about it. What you want and how you want to do it. And what you are ready to sacrifice now for those 260 days. Are you ready to sacrifice a little of your time? Are you ready to shape yourself into an absolutely new person, a person of finance, who 260 days later will be someone else entirely? Dear friends, now is the time to make up your mind. What can you buy for 500 units, which is equivalent to $500? Well, you can go on a trip to Egypt, maybe to Thailand, if you live close enough to it. Maybe to Vietnam, if you are not far from it, to some resort close by. You can go on a vacation for a week, or maybe 10 days. In some places, it won't be enough even for one day, depending on how you spend your vacation. You can buy food for it, enough for the entire family, depending on where you live. It might be enough. You could buy nice shoes, 2 pairs, or a good suit, or maybe even 2 suits, or even 3. You can do that. You can buy a TV. You can buy a phone, but not a new Apple or Samsung. Dear friends, a good one, I mean. You can buy a good Xiaomi, or you can use that money to invest in your bright future, which in 260 days will be so bright that when you wake up 260 days later, you'll say, "Have I really succeeded in shaping my life the way I always wanted to?" This is investing in yourselves. But then, you'll have to make a commitment to pay on the second day of each month 100 units, with the first payment due on the 2nd of February 2020, for you to be able to move forward. Every month, only 100 units, dear friends, only. This investment of 100 per month for 8 months and 500 upfront to book a seat, because starting from February, the price is going to be 800 and then 1000 units, for those who will want to join in February. But today, you have this chance for 500. Another important thing is that you receive, listen carefully now, what you're going to receive. You receive a ticket to Andey, and you'll be sitting in the front rows at Andey. That's where you'll be, dear friends. Now is the time to make up your mind. So let's sum it up. What you get is a chance to be trained directly by the management of the company, by top leaders of the company online, where we're going to show you how to do business both online and offline at your home. B. You'll be able to duplicate it. You start taking action, saying things the way you never did before. You start achieving the results you are striving for, and you start moving towards the life of your dreams. C. You get a ticket to Andey, dear friends, and get a gift from Crypto Unit Company, a certain number of token points, which will later become tokens. Dear friends, you have this chance. I want to share something very important with you. Someone might say, "I've trained so much, I've trained left and right, so on and so forth." But those who know me, people that I train, they all say one crucial thing. "Mr. Khovratov, I don't know how you do it, but after you say something, and the way you say it, it makes you pick up your butt and start doing things." I listened to a huge number of coaches and was trained by lots of trainers. But when you speak, when your leaders speak, from the way they speak, you can see they are not phonies. It's not theory. It's down-to-earth practice. You get off your butt and you go and do things. Dear friends, we are going to learn how to do this business, and we'll do this business together with you. Nobody's going to do it for you. I'll tell you right away. Neither I, nor top leaders of the company, nor leaders of the company. You are going to do this business, but we will be doing this business together. I'll pretend that I have just signed up to this business. I have nothing and no one. I will move forward. This is my challenge. We will show what we achieved every day, every one of us. You can't even imagine the movement we're going to create. It will be the biggest movement. If we have at least 1,000 people, it will be the biggest movement for 260 days. You can't even imagine how many subscribers in your Instagram, YouTube will write to you every day. I assure you of that. We will post on Instagram and YouTube both good and bad results. Like when you wake up and say, "I'm feeling so bad, I'm fed up, I'm having bad thoughts." We will learn how to shape our personal life. Dear friends, this is about becoming a new person, a progressive person, a person who will shape an absolutely new you. As Tony Robbins says, the best version of yourself, or other similar sayings. The best version of yourself, an overused phrase now. Yes, you will become the best version of yourself, but you will become someone who will shape your own life. You will become the master of your own life. In 260 days, you will do something that you have never done before in your entire life. Therefore, make up your mind right now. Place your order right now and start saying, yes, I want to do it. And as soon as you place your order, as soon as you purchase that EIP for 500 units, I repeat, 500 units, from the 1st of February is going to cost 800 and later it will cost 1000. Moreover, to be able to go and attend Andey, you need to be at least a consultant. Today, it is available to everyone. Today, for those 500 units, you get the most interesting stuff. And those who will do it, dear friends, will have the door to a new world open to them. An absolutely new state. Dear friends, I repeat, we will surely create a movement which will be watched by 1/3 of the world, or maybe the entire world of multi-level crowd investing, multi-level business. And those people who do internet-based business, info business, blockchain business, they will watch us all, how we grow every day, skyrocketing, like mushrooms after rain. We are going to do it together. I'll be looking forward to seeing you at that meeting, at that training. We are starting on the 2nd of February. And everyone who wants to change their life, say, yes, I want to change my life. Yes, I want to become stronger. I want to become progressive. Yes, I want to become who I want to be. Not in 10 years, not in 2 years, but in 260 days, this year, in 2020. See you at the training, dear friends. It has been Andrey Khovratov.